Students, we will continue our questions. Again, our next question is to find the square root of this decimal number. Now again we are having whole number as 0 and decimal number given as 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 4. Now we will separate it, the whole number differently and decimal number differently from right hand side, and we will make the pair. Now you can see that in our whole number we are having 0, so we will take it 0 times. This is 0, zeros are 0. We will copy down our next pair, that is 0, 2. We will double the 0, so double of 0 is 0. We will take it by square of 1 and put decimal here. 1 ones are 1, so it will be no subtraction. We will copy down our next pair, that is 31. Now we will double 1. Double of 1 is 1 into 2, that is 2. Now we have to think of a square number which is not greater than 131. So if we take it by 3, square of 3, so let's check. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Let us check by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10 and 2 is 12. Let us check by 6. 6 6 are 36 and this is 6 2s are 12 and 3 15, which is greater than 131. So we will take it by square table of 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2. 5 5s are 25. We will write 5 and we will carry 2. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. So this will be 11 minus 5 is 6 and this all becomes 0. We will copy our next pair, that is 0 4. Now our number is 106. Now we will double 15. So double of 15 is 15 2s are 30. Now we have to think of a number which can divide 104, and our number is 30 in the dividend part. So we have to think of a number, of a square number which can divide this 104. So we can just take it by 2. 2 2s are 4. So we will take the square number as 2. So this will be 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 3s are 6. Student, I hope that all of you are understanding the division method of finding a square and a square root. because this is the important part of this chapter. Again, I will repeat the explanation. Here we have to find the square root of this decimal number. In this decimal number, we are having whole number as 0, and this is our decimal part. So we will make pair in the whole number, and we have to make pair in the decimal number from right hand side. So we will pair the number from right hand side. We will pair 04, we will pair 31, and we will pair 02. From right hand side, we have to move from right to left. Now we have solved the whole number part and taken it by 0, because here we are having the number in the dividend part as 0. So our remainder is 0. Now we have to come to the decimal part. We'll copy the decimal part and think of number. So we have to take the square number as 1, and then we will subtract and we will get 1, and we'll copy our next pair as 31. Next is we will double this 1 and we will write 2 here, and again we have to think of a square number. In this division method, we have to read the table of the square numbers only. We have to read the square table. It's not like the division, a simple division, as we are dividing the number. It is different from the division, simple division, which we are doing in our calculation. Now again we have to read the square table, and it will go with square table of 5. So we will write here 125. How we will get 125? We have to multiply this 5 by 25. So when we have multiplied this 5 by 25, we got 125, and our subtraction, when we subtract this, we got 6, and we will copy down the next pair. So our answer is square root of this number is 0.152. This is our final answer. Our next question says to find the square root of number we have to find the square root of this number correct to 2 decimal places. We have to find the square root of this number correct to 2 decimal places. We have to find the square root of this number correct to 2 decimal places. Now let's start. Now again we can see here we are having whole number as 5 and decimal number as 2005. Now we will pair the decimal part from right hand side, and we will pair the whole number part. Now we will read the square table. 1 square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. So here it will be 1, and we will copy down the next pair, which is 2 0. Now we will put the decimal because this part is over. Now we will double the quotient, and the double of 2 is our quotient. Here is quotient is 2, so we will double 2, which is 4. Now we have to think of a number, square number, which divide 120. So if we are taking it by 3, it will be 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12, which is greater than 120. So we will take the square table of 2. It will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. It will be 6 here, and this will be 11 minus 8 is 3. We got 36 here. We'll copy down our next pair, which is 0 5. Now we will double the quotient. Now double of 2.2 is 44. We have to double this 2.2, which is 22. We have to double this quotient 22, which will be equal to 44. Now again we have to think of a square number which divides this. So we can take it by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, and this will be 22. 5 4s are 20 and 22, which is coming as this. Let us check by 6. 6 6 are 36. It will be 3 carry over. 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. 24 and 2 26. Let's check by 7. 7 7s are 49. Carry 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 and 8 is 32. Carry 3. 7 4s are 28. 28 and 3 is 31. Let's check by 8 also. 8 8s are 64. 4 carry 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 and 6 is 38. 8 fours are 32, 32 and 3 is 35, so which is approximate near to this number, so we will take it by 8 times. We'll take the square number as 8. 8 8s are 64, 4 carry 6, 8 4s are 32, 32 and 6 is 38. We will write 8 and put carry 3. 8 4s are 32 and this will be 35. Now we will subtract. This will be 2 and rest will become 0. Now the question is saying we have to find the square root of this number 5.2005 correct to 2 decimal places. Now we got our answer as correct to 2 decimal places. Here you can see there are 2 decimal places, 2 and 8. So the square root of this number is 2.28. This is our final answer. So the square root of 5.2005 correct to 2 decimal places is 2.28, and this is a remainder. Class, this number is not a perfect square, so that is why we are getting remainder here. And we have also satisfied what they have asked in the question, that we have to find the square root correct to 2 decimal places. So we got 2 decimal places here as 2 and 8. So this is our final answer. Try to understand this question and solve some more question which will be given to you in the assignment. Thank you.